Well, what drew me to Landmark? Well, there's a lot of things. I did a lot of research prior to moving out into Oklahoma City on a lot of builders, a lot of homes that were for sale. And I think the things that really stood out to me was not only the variety of like floor plan selections they had, but a lot of the different areas around the city that they were building. And then the deeper I got into just browsing through the website and looking at a lot of the options was the attention to detail. Is what I really appreciated about it. And after having walked through several model homes and then getting to a Landmark Fine home, I knew I was done. Like that's exactly what I wanted. The attention to detail, the floor plans, the open air space and everything that kind of came through really gave a good entertaining vibe where I could see multiple people enjoying the atmosphere. And then the fact that I get to live there every day was awesome. My favorite feature of my home is when I first walk in, everything opens up. You can access everything. It's got a lot of open space, great for entertaining. Love the high vaulted ceilings. It really just adds a whole other kind of dimension to the atmosphere of the room. So I love that feature the most. And then as I get into the back patio, having the ability to entertain and have the extra space out there was something that really stood out to me, which I absolutely love. Did I shop other builders? I absolutely did. Coming out from Fort Collins, Colorado before moving to Oklahoma City, I looked at several builders in the marketplace, outside of like open inventory that was there. And there were a few that kind of stood out that definitely gave me interest in taking a looking at. But the more I did my research, the more I looked at reviews, and then having the opportunity to actually walk into some of the model homes, I definitely didn't feel like they were as high of a quality and worth the value that I probably saw that I was getting with a Landmark home. Would I refer my friends to Landmark? That is 100% absolute yes. I would even challenge them to take a look at some of the other options out there in the marketplace before going to Landmark, because I guarantee you the moment you walk into Landmark Fine Home, you're gonna know that's what you want and what you've been looking for. What's one thing I would like everybody to know about Landmark? There's probably more than one thing, but I would say that they have a lot of floor plans that can fit everybody's needs. So definitely, take your time browsing through those because they do have options. I know they can customize those quite a bit for you as well. Their selections and their finishes that they do inside of the homes is phenomenal. And the team that you're going to work with to help really work through the design process to make sure you get the right finishings throughout everything is fantastic.